An ocean, a cave, a dream that no one could save, a shelter, a whole act, a light that died with the night. You and I, we got our differences, yet I thought we were more alike than unlike. Months of rain and chest pain, what's the plan? Heavy breathe and stay insane. Grab my hand. Everything is grey inside this narrow maze. We speak but oh nothing. We run our separate ways. Do you ever think about me? Or are you busy with someone else? You and I, we got our differences, yet I thought we were more alike than unlike. Months of rain and chest pain, what's the plan? Heavy breathe and stay insane. Now grab my hand. 残念ながら後ろに世界の両手によりストックホルムの東京への郵便機することを選択しました。ストックホルムの東京
dumbass is trying to kayak in a severe windstorm and I'm like paddling, going against the current, and I can't freaking move anywhere. I'm just stuck in one spot and I'm trying so fucking hard. The things I try to do in an inflatable kayak. I don't even know. Found a cute little waterfall. Mama didn't raise no bitch and I decided to kayak to the place that I wanted to get to against the really strong current, even though the winds are really bad. But I made it to this little castle house thing on a hill island. Look how cute it is. It's got a little fireplace. Oh, it's awesome. Just look at that. Look how amazing this is. So crazy. But I climbed up barefoot because all I brought was sandals. And that friggin' hurt. And now I gotta climb back down, so wish me luck. If I don't respond in like an hour, I'm probably fell off a cliff or something. But alrighty, time to kayak back. It's cold, but I'll be going with the current. So hopefully I'll be cruising. It took me like 2 more hours than the guy said it was supposed to take. So it was supposed to take 2 hours. It took me freaking 4 hours to get here. Maybe 5, I don't know. Alright. It's pretty cool up there. Here, I like it. I could stay here. Yeah. Alright. Time to climb back down. Wish me luck. Still barefoot. Still pantless. Oh, And it's cold. But I made it down. And I'm alive.
Hanging on to hope and holding on to a dream, wishing for the kind of love you see in magazines. The illusion falls and nothing's what it seems to be. The part left is hurting deep inside of me. Heard a whisper, someone saw you at the bar. Was it the same night you had trouble with your car? It's getting old, I've heard your stories told 1,000 times. Baby, you are using the same old lines. I'll leave it all behind. I wasted too much time, I've been blind. 'Cause there's no fixing what's been broken.
So I'm camping in Yosemite, and look at this freaking campsite. Ugh. So freaking pretty. All the aspens. Oh, the changing colors. Oh. I could stay here forever. It's so nice. So yeah. Couldn't get into Yosemite because you need a freaking permit. COVID. All that stuff. And the hike I wanted to do, you like climb up these like metal rungs on the side of a mountain, and they take down the metal rungs on Tuesday. So I literally got here just in time. But you have to have a permit to also do that hike. You have to have a permit to get into the park, and you have to have a permit to do the hike. So they made it really freaking difficult, and since I can't get in, I'm just gonna drive to Death Valley tomorrow, which is like 3.5 hours. So yeah, there's gonna be no gas around there, so I need to figure something out because my tank is small. But they have free camping, which will be cool because the stars will probably be out like intensely because there's no lights in Death Valley. I don't think. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill. It's like 5 o'clock, so the sun should be setting soon, and I'll pass out and then wake up early and drive to Death Valley, and then on to Vegas. Party!
What's been broken? This ain't the first time I'll be drinking you off my mind. It's a good day to be drinking till I'm fine. Baby, it's a big dark world. You don't need to know about that. Don't need to know about that. I'll protect you with my lies. You don't need to know about that. Don't need to know about that. Just let me love you. 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 Just let me love you.
Someday you will meet the one who will put you on the throne, will put you on the throne. And I will go out on my own to see the world again. But until then, just let me love you, 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 just let me love you.